So I would like to ask you why you choose to do SMP, scalp micropigmentation.
Because I decided to keep my hair short and I don't wish to do any surgical thing like a hair transplant, and I don't want to take any medication, so I decided to keep my hair short and simple.
Okay, he is 28 years old and indication to do SMP for him is he wished to keep his hair short and he doesn't want to do hair transplant and he doesn't want to take long-term medication. The design for the hairline, and patient wanted these areas to be sharp like this. It's called a frontal temporal. The great advantage in SMP is you see the result immediately, instantly, and you can see the difference. The hairline is already been created here. So this is the advantage of SMP.